Adding a Pypes exhaust system to your 2012 and up SRT Jeep Grand Cherokee is a great way to add sound and performance. The Pypes exhaust super system is an X-pipe based catback exhaust equipped with our Race Pro mufflers. The Race Pro is our highest flowing muffler that not only enhances performance, but also delivers a great tone. These systems are Mandrel bent with 409 stainless steel in 3-inch piping and designed to retain the factory tips. On a budget but still want the sound? Then choose the PYPE Axleback exhaust that unleashes sound by eliminating the factory rear resonators. Similar to the Supra system, the PYPE is Mandrel bent with 409 stainless steel in 3-inch piping, and they're designed to retain the factory tips. The simple cut and clamp design makes installation easy. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave those below, or you can give us a call at 800-421-3890. And get your ride Pypes equipped today.